Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. Today is 25 April 2021 and as you know the situation is slowly deteriorating. So chances are high that it may get postponed. I have repeated that do not believe in any kind of a rumors till the time you get official notification from OPSC. OPSC will definitely notify you if there are any plans for change of date for OS prelim examination. I have told this, do not be in a complacent mode or stop studying. And there is a big question which is coming to me through email, that how to stay motivated. Some of my test series subscribers, they are also asking the same question. Sir, scoring very low in the master key sets. We are scoring 60, 70, 80, 90. How to stay motivated? And some are not joining master key sets because they feel that they have not completed the syllabus, and if they will appear now, they will be scoring less. It will be demotivating factor for them. I personally believe that if you don't appear the test series now, take all the negative factors, try to find out what is the cause behind your low score, and if you will find out what is the reason behind the low score, you will try to rectify it and you try to implement that in your preparation. As if you will say, for example, you score very low in the prelim examination directly, it will be a very big issue for you guys, because 392 is a very big number of vacancies and you will lose this particular opportunity. And if you really want to do and crack this examination, do not take it lightly. Join the master key sets today, and without wasting time and thinking about I have not completed the syllabus, why I will join now. If you will join now, what you will gain? Today we are going to publish the master key set number 6. So when you will join now, you will come to know what are the lacunae of your preparation, what are the gray areas of your preparation, how you can improve it. There has to be some kind of a fighting spirit in you guys. आपण मानक मध्य किसी गोटे फाइटिंग स्पिरिट रहिबा दरकार कि मु फटाफट जेतिकी सब सिलेबस अच्छी कंप्लीट करी थाई पारे कि न करी थाई पारे, किंतु मु टेस्ट सीरीज एपीआर करिया जरिया रे मते जणा पड़ियो जे मोर जो वीकनेसेस अच्छी को एरिया रे वीकनेसेस अच्छी. जदि आपण जल्दी वीकनेस को फाइंड आउट करंती ताहले यू कैन स्कोर वेरी वेल इन द ओपीएससी प्रीलिम एग्जामिनेशन. आपण माने बहुत भलो स्कोर करि परिबे ओपीएससी प्रीलिम एग्जामिनेशन रे. एटा भाबंतु नै जे मु टेस्ट सीरीज एपीआर एबे करिबिनी परे करिबी. आपण परे करले कोन आपण को बहुत कम टाइम मिलिबो. आमे टेस्ट सीरीज को ए टाइप डिजाइन करिछु कि बहुत इंपोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज आमे प्रोपोर्शनली पकोउछु टोटल एग्जामिनेशन रे, ताकि आपण माने जो इंपोर्टेंट सेक्शन अच्छी सेटा को भलरे कवर करंतु प्रीलिम एग्जामिनेशन आगरु. जदि आपण माने प्रीलिम एग्जामिनेशन आगरु ऑल इंपोर्टेंट सेक्शंस as we are putting in master key sets, if you are doing it well, then chances are high that you will score really very well in the prelim examination. It is better to give yourself practice of appearing this examination. Doesn't matter what is your score, but try to identify. I have said that in one of my videos. What is the guideline you supposed to be following for the master key set? You supposed to be knowing which are the sections. I had told you to make it a format in Excel sheet or in the other even handwritten with a scale and pen. If you can make it number of sets 40 sets, then you can make section wise: polity, history, then geography, environment, economics, science and tech, and the current affair as well as Odisha specific GK. When you will make this kind of a format, you will track your own progress. through these master key sets. You will able to know which are the sections where I am not having a grip over, and you will do the simultaneous research on whatever the important question asked, and you will fail to answer this in the master key set. As soon as you complete as well as you will able to answer this particular thing, then it is going to be very helpful for your prelim preparation. I hope you are getting my point right. Without wasting time, join our master key set today, because we are releasing only the 6th set, master key set. It is the right time you enter into this particular preparation mode without wasting time. Do not think what will happen tomorrow, what will why I will join now, if I will score less, what will happen. Doesn't matter. Whatever your score, you will always better in the next examination, because you will be in a fighting mode. Every exam will give you, enlighten you that no, you have not done this section, you have not done this section, you have not done this section. When this simultaneous preparation will go on, the chances are high that your performance will be at the next level in OPSC prelim examination. I hope you are getting my point. So without wasting time, join the master key set today. I told you how you supposed to be motivated. You supposed to be enjoying the learning process. Okay, in polity section, this particular section are being asked. I will cover this section. Then coming to the history section, this particular section questions are being asked. I will cover this section. You supposed to be enjoying. Today I will learn history. Today I will learn this particular section, geography section. This particular section, the questions are being asked in the prelim examination or master key set, because it is very important. Then you will cover that. Then after you will cover the next portion, economics portion. Generally I have told you that planning is very important. I have told in I have covered that in one of the videos about the planning commission as well as the 5-year plan. Very important section. They are asking 1 or 2 odd questions from this particular section. You supposed to be covering that, and we are adequately putting these questions in our master key set in order to give the adequate practice to our students who are appearing master key set. So you have to cover that. Not only that, you have to cover the science part from the health section, nutrition section. Then you have to cover the other portion of science like chemistry, like physics, optics as well as sound. These are very important section. They are asking question. And biology, from the biology section also they are asking question. So I am telling you that without wasting time, you supposed to enter into preparation mode in the exam format. Whatever the exam format questions are being asked, you supposed to be simultaneously preparing that. And our master key sets are designed in such a way that you will get adequate practice before you appear the prelim examination on 23rd. So without wasting time, join today. It will be very helpful. Enjoy the learning process. Until and unless you enjoy the learning process, you will not be staying motivated. आपण माने जो लर्निंग प्रोसेस टा अछि ताकू एंजॉय करंतु. किछि असुविधा नाही जदि आपण 60 मार्क आछी, 70 मार्क आछी, 80 मार्क आछी, 90 मार्क आछी. बहुत प्रॉब्लम हबो जदि आपण माने एपीआर करिबेनी. डायरेक्टली जाईकी आपण ओपीएससी एग्जाम एपीआर करिवे. सेठी जदि आपण 60 की 70 की 80 की 90 आसीओ, सेठी आपण बहुत बड़ प्राइस पे करबा को पड़िबो. जदि आपण आगुरु 60 70 80 90 आसुची किंतु आपण स्टे मोटिवेटेड रही आपण कंटिन्यूअसली जो क्वेश्चन आपण भूल हेची ताकू रिवाइज करिवे. हम आंसर की जोगु आपण ताकू रिवाइज करि परिवे. आ रिवाइज करी से इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन को आपण कंटिन्यूअस रिवाइज करी जाउथिबे टिल एग्जामिनेशन. You will find a significant number of questions will be asked from our master key sets. So without wasting time, join today. I told you, enjoy the learning process. That is the only way to stay yourself motivated in this trying times. So this was about a motivation class for all of you guys. Enjoy this learning process and you will find that you are learning new things every day. Thank you very much.